Welcome to Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow.
Elmo's friend Charles loves the beach too, and he told Elmo all about it.
Sometimes my family goes to the beach for the whole day. There's so much to do. My grandma and I like to go for a walk. There's a lot to see at the beach. Birds, fish. We like to look for shells in the sand. My grandma knows all the different kinds. Clam shells,
That one.
oysters, scallops, and a conch. It's a really big shell. You never know what you'll find. A horseshoe crab. They look funny, but they can't hurt you. Sometimes my dad and I fly a kite. Kites are really pretty. And we play catch. We always have a picnic, but the sun is really hot at the beach, so we have a picnic in the shade. My little sister and I built the biggest sandcastle we can, and some other kids helped us. We decorated it with shells, and we filled the moat with water. It looks great. And when it gets really hot, my dad takes us in the ocean, and we all jump in the water. I love the beach.
Hope you had fun during Z's Bookshelf featuring Ebb and Flow. Log on to dailynoggin.com for more.